We are here at the Svetitskhoveli Cathedral. This is the main cathedral, the patriarchal cathedral of the Georgian Orthodox Church, where the equivalent of their Pope has his main location. It'd be the equivalent of St. Peter's in Rome or Westminster Abbey in London. Many of the kings of Georgia were buried here. Many of the patriarchs were buried here. It has a central place in Georgian history. As you can see, it is surrounded by fortified walls, approximately 30 feet high, 10 feet wide, topped with parapets for firing arrows and repelling invaders. Construction was started in 1010, was finished in 1029. Across the river, one can see the Jvari Monastery on top of a hill where it has a commanding view of the confluence of two rivers and the whole town here. And that monastery is the largest surviving structure from the ancient world of all the monasteries and churches in Georgia. Back alleys behind the cathedral. Dakota and Eden have scored themselves some wine-flavored ice cream. Is that the wine-flavored ice cream?
No, this is said she was kind of cool and she'd come back later.
Oh, you guys just wanted plain vanilla? You didn't want to experiment with wine flavor? You're cold?
It has alcohol in it.
In the street right in front of the cathedral here, they're selling all kinds of rugs, candies, and shawls. There's restaurants and sidewalk cafes. We are headed up to Jvari Monastery after having lunch at this restaurant right here, this street side cafe that we're passing on the right.
I preferred the chicken because I never had the lamb.
I think the best part was the lamb and the ice cream.
Yeah, the stone monastery in whole Georgia. 6th century.
Oh, right. It means cross because Saint Nino planted a cross there in the 300s.
Yes.
Jvari, not Jvari. It's Jvari. You have to make these things up when you don't really know.
No light everywhere.
Oh, no.
From main.
So now we're looking for a gate that can open.
No, we're going no more gate.
We're going to go out the other gate because the other gate doesn't require electricity. So we're going to, they're having an electrical issue in the town, so we're going to try to find a gate that doesn't require electricity to open the gate. So we're getting more of a tour of the town as we move from gate to gate to try to find one that will open and let us out of the pedestrian area. What does she do in Las Vegas?
A pediatrician.
A pediatrician. So your son is a lawyer in Philadelphia. That's where I was born. We are here at Jvari Monastery, built circa 600 at the site where Saint Nino planted a cross in the early 300s. And the cross made of vines was said to bring miracles, so pilgrims started to come here. And eventually they had to build this church to welcome all the pilgrims from all of Orthodox Christianity. Dakota, stay away from the edge, buddy. Guys, stay away from any drop-offs or cliffs. Don't even get within 10 feet. Not far down, like 1,000 feet. Okay. As a site of pilgrimage, people that came here for blessings or cures from St. Nino's cross would have come on their knees, and they might have been flagellating themselves or wearing a type of clothing that was very itchy, made of flax, and all of that was to show penitence and humility.